guys, welcome back to Alchar Twins, and today we are going to continue the RPG tutorial series. So this is episode 2. For now we have this project right here. This moves up and down. This moves right and left according to your mouse pointer and changes its size smoothly. And when we click on it, there we go. And when we click on it, we can use the arrow keys or the WASD keys. To make it move up and down, diagonal, something like that. But we did not change this in the last episode. So we go to player sprite, and go to looks. Now switch costume to right is now normal for us. So we'll put it onto the right arrow. It's right. If it's down, put it here. If it's up, put it here. If it's left, put it here. Then put all of them again here. Before or after the change bye, but inside the if, that's very important. And change this to up, or else it would be same costume. So this is down. That is right, and this is left. So now we might have a good character position. So yes, this looks good, but we want to make it change, right? So we can say that this is having some, we can say make it have some arms, but that look bad. So that might look bad. So I'll put one antenna that's front. Antenna is done by this 6, I think. What? Oh, this is silly. This is good. And now this is an antenna we'll be making. So here we go. And then a circle with no fill, but a little lesser. And make it go top of the line. And make sure the line is not in the, can be seen through the circle. So like that. And then we can click on the select tool. Copy this all. Only drag it to this place where it copies it will select the circle and the line, not the rectangle and brush tool stuff. So and then copy this, then go here and paste this. So it pastes at the right place because this is an add-on. So this no good. We can make this like that, and even that's bad. Okay, a bit smaller. So I'll put it in the middle first of all and make it go up and put it in the middle, this guy as well, and this one can be shrink down to put it in the middle, go up. Okay, there we go. This looks good, and then select the rectangle. Oh no, that line got selected. Rectangle and brush tool, drag it to the middle. Here also we will paste it, and it should go front, since that's what we want, a front. And here also we should paste it, and we should make it go right and a bit smaller. So right, so we can indicate that it is left and right. And that is wrong costumes. Those were wrong costumes, sorry. Copy this, paste it here. Copy this. I'm holding shift so I can select everything and I can paste it here, then delete this back of it, and even here delete this back of it. So now it might be fixed. If yours is correct costumes, please do not do that. But this works. Look, you can see that the antenna is moving right here. So you can say that it's left or right. Okay, now we are done with that. So we can go to make our backgrounds. So we want to change the backgrounds when the sprite goes, let's say, this way. So the sprite goes here. We want to change the background. So we'll go to backdrops first of all and make some backdrops for our like path and all. So we can take the brush tool, but I'd like to make it a road, so I'll take the rectangle tool. You do not copy me, please. If you want to make a path, you can go here and select orange and make it lighter saturation, like select orange, lighter saturation equal to a path color. But I'd like a road, so I will actually put it to 0 saturation, and here I'll put it to a bit of brightness is less. So I'm going to make a rectangle for now, one rectangle for the road now, and another rectangle maybe for attachment, which is a narrow road, let's say. So it's like this for now, and now we should make some sprites so that we can move it, or else we can do an XY position detector, but nah, we can just do the sprite since it's easy. So now we, yes, please ignore the background noises, and now we can select this 0 outline, black, and now we can make a small thin rectangle and make it go here. Good, but I'd like the Y to be 0. So it's like that, means we should move this to the middle. Good. But we'll put it right here so that the sprite can go here. Oh, I was wrong. We will put it here again. We'll put you here. We want you there. And now we can select the rectangle, put it to the middle. Good. And now we can go and put it here. And then the Y is 0 only. How did I do that? I do not know. But now we can say this is right or left. Oh, it was right. Okay, right, left, only right. And then we'll duplicate this. Not right to, we want it to be left. My cursor is like this thanks to Sweezy cursors. So now, and it looks so cute, this guy. Okay, now we can put this. So here it's 236. So here we'll type in -236 and it goes back there, and then we'll change this to 0 so it goes to the middle, and this is good. So now we can duplicate this and say this is up. Okay, and now we can select it with the select tool and hold down shift and rotate it. So it's like rotate it, then this, and then hold the alt key and make it smaller since the road is narrow, and we will put it right there, and the X is like that. Okay, and now we will make it move the background. So let's make some backgrounds or backdrops. So hover over here, choose paint it. So now we want to make it a backdrop when we move. So we will copy this square, or else you can just duplicate that place. And here, actually I want to duplicate it since the road continues. So it's like this. Now I want it to turn when we get in this. So we'll hold the Alt key and make it small. Hold the left Alt key and make it smaller, not the right Alt key, the left Alt key near the Windows key, or else it won't work. Actually I did not know that, but now let's make it like this. Take a rectangle, make one more, line it up as well as you can, and your road looks like nice. Now we'll put it into the middle, and then we'll try to do this. That means we have to rotate this more and make it go this way, and this looks good. So now we want this to disappear as well. So now we want to code this. So let's go to events, when flag clicked, looks, and hide. Then drag this to the other sprites. One more time. Good. And now we'll drag this here. See, so we don't want to overlap the scripts when we drag it again, since I do not like that. Okay, now we can say when when I receive the start message, we can go to looks and say take a show block. Let's put it here and here. Let's drag it downwards or and somewhere else. Okay, we can go back to right, and now we can say for this to disappear, or else now we'll say it to be backdrop 2 when we receive, and it's already backdrop 2. So when we touch this guy, let's put in here. So go to control and take an if then statement. So if touching and also forever, also it won't work. So go to sensing, take a touching block and put it inside here, select it and say player. Good. And now if touching player, switch and the backdrop. Okay, we also need an and operator. Silly me. So if touching player and first equal operator we should put there. Go to looks, go down, here is something called backdrop number is there, so we can say that. And if the backdrop number is equal to 2, isn't it 2? If the backdrop number is equal to 2, or you can write the name backdrop 2, or you can just change the name to back 1 2, but I like this way now. So if this is equal to backdrop 2, number of the backdrop is equal to 2 also while touching the player, then switch the backdrop to backdrop 3. So this is good, but then we want it to come right here, the player to come right here. So we'll go to the player sprite and then we will make another receive start one, I think. Let's try it. Okay, we'll go to control forever if the backdrop, okay, if the backdrop number, so equal here, and go to looks, go down, backdrop number. So if the backdrop number is equal to 3, the last backdrop or this backdrop with this tilted road, we will say that it should go to this place. So go to X and this here. This looks good. And now we can try this. Yes, this works. And now we can actually drag this to right, and right we will have this backdrop number equal to 3. Let's make it go to x to 36, but the y should change. So go to x to 36 and y 140. Since those are my numbers, you can change it to your numbers. And no, or else also we can put, but now let's put, go to x and y 0. Good, this works, I think. Yes, this works. Oh, okay, we'll put it here. This will work now. So why doesn't it work? Maybe we do this. Oh, there we go. Now we can test this. Why don't we move? I think it's because of this. So now we might broadcast something instead. So broadcast, go back. I'm tapping with the one hand, that's why it's slow. Go back. Okay, that's good. And now when I receive go back, I should go to x, y this much. Okay, we'll do this. And finally it works. So then we can say that up to disappear and go back. So up, when I receive start, show. Now we'll put this to up, and we have this. Put a forever loop around it, and this block should not be there. We should say it to hide, but else show, or else this will not work. So we'll put an if else, control space, and if then else. So if then else, we put it all these things back, all of these things. Put show here, and now yes, it disappears. So good. And now we want to go back, right? So we will put this here. Ignore background noises. Put this here, and we will put it around the forever loop. So good. And now if the backdrop number is equal to 3, switch the backdrop to backdrop 2 and broadcast another go back message. Back. Go back again, and we'll create that message. That's an add-on again. Okay, now we'll go to the player sprite, go to events, go back again. When I receive go back again, we will duplicate this and x202. So this will work for now. Yes, but no, this should not happen to the right sprite. So we'll duplicate this. X equal, if this is equal to 2, 0. Yes, this might work. Yes, this works. So we at least know how to make this way go, to make it us go this way and this way. So the next episode we will add more backdrops, but we want NPCs now. So we'll make a new player sprite. Let's make it round. Why not? With some outline, of course. We need more outline since it looks better and cuter for me, according to me actually. And now we'll put it here. So if the backdrop number equal to 2, not that, go to X this and we will show, or else hide. So we did not do that. So let's say if then else with this add-on, if then else, and now we can put it here, show, else we should hide, and this should be in a forever loop, and events when flag is clicked. So it's like this for now, but we want to say it something when it's clicked. So if operators, go to SA and then go to sensing, then touching mouse pointer and the mouse down, go to control, wait until operators, go down, not mouse down, so duplicate this and put it inside this, so not mouse down, and then we want it to say hello or something. So hi, can we be friends? So hi, can we be friends? And then it will broadcast a message. Hi, can we be friends? And we'll make one message with the add-on. Go to player sprite. Let's say to go here. So when I receive, hi, can we be friends? Go to looks, switch costume to down, motion, go to X0, Y00, and then say something. Sure. Then broadcast start again. So this can work, and let's call this guy NPC. Oops, NPC. There we go. And now we can test this. Oh, thanks to this, it's working as well. So we are here. Hi, can we be friends? Then we go there and say sure. And then we broadcast start and go back there. So it's like that for now, and we can test if it does not come good. And we want this to come over this guy. So we'll say go to front layer, go to looks, and scroll down, go to front layer block. And now we can test this. So yes, he goes at front of us. When we click him, Hi, can we be friends? Sure. Then we go back there. We can do this repeatedly. Hi, can we be friends? Sure. And then he goes back. So this one we can say this is, oh, this is episode 1. Oh, how silly me. Okay, we'll actually go to click on file and save it as a copy. And then we can go to my stuff. And now this is episode, I do not know. Oh, this is episode 1. Good. Okay, we'll not have this backdrop stuff or anything. Nothing like this. Sorry. But we copied that thing, so it doesn't matter anyway. Then we will not have these things. Roads we will not have. This backdrop itself we will not have. So this is episode 1 right now. So, but in episode 2 we were learning. So, oops, that was wrong. Ep.2. Yes, this is episode 2. And now here we have our episode 2. So rename this since it's episode 1 and change it to 2. And then we can, if you have confirmed in your Scratch account, you can click on share and say this. Check out our channel on YouTube. Ep.2. You can say whatever if you want. Okay. But I'm going to do this. And here click, even add this to your instructions please, since it's best to add this. Click on the circle or whatever shape it is to talk to him. Write this not like caps lock only, you can write it however you like it. Click on the, oh, oopsies, click on the circle to talk to it. So we'll say that, and now we will they'll click on this project and say sure and all, and here, yeah, this works, they'll say. So they might love Fave as well. So please love Fave and please subscribe to our channel. So bye guys. Hope you learned something.